If Opera is stuck loading pages forever or you're seeing an SSL connection error, don't worry. In many cases, the issue is caused by Opera's built-in VPN or a browser setting that needs a quick reset. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Opera loading error step by step so you can get back to browsing normally. And if this guide helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, look at the left side of the address bar at the top of Opera. You should see a blue or gray VPN badge. This badge tells you that Opera's built-in proxy or VPN feature is active. Click that badge, then turn the switch off. After that, try reloading the web page again. In a lot of cases, that alone is enough to fix the loading problem, especially if the issue was caused by a localized outage, network blockage, or a temporary connection conflict. If the page is still not loading properly, the next step is to clear your browser data. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. That opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. Now set the time range drop down to all time. This is important because you want to remove any stored data that could be causing the problem across all sessions. Then check the boxes next to cookies and other site data and cached images and files. These two items are often responsible for broken loading behavior, login issues, and SSL-related errors. Once those boxes are selected, click Clear Data and give Opera a moment to finish the cleanup. After that, go back and test the page again. If the issue still isn't fixed, there's one more setting that can help. Press Alt and P on your keyboard or click the Opera logo in the top left corner and open Settings. In the Settings panel, scroll until you find the System section. Inside that section, look for the option called Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Turn that switch off. Hardware acceleration can sometimes cause display problems, page rendering glitches, or loading errors depending on your graphics, setup, and browser state. After turning it off, click Relaunch to apply the fix. Opera will restart with the new setting in place. Once it opens again, try loading the same website one more time. At this point, the loading error should be resolved in most cases. So to quickly recap, first disable Opera's VPN badge, then clear cookies and cache, and finally turn off hardware acceleration and relaunch the browser. These three steps solve a lot of common Opera loading and SSL connection issues without needing to reinstall anything. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more browser troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.